Yeah, I have thought about it a lot lately, but I'm still stuck between choosing a house or an apartment.
Oh, for me, it's easy. They choose an apartment in a heartbeat.
Really? What then?
Well, I do so much more complaining. No need to worry about lounge, rough leaking, or sweeping the yard. You use mop to clean the AC and your dog.
True, but I prefer a house. It's feel more spacious and you have the freedom to do whatever you want with the space.
But I house come with a lot of ice. I think it's great or for a little while. You need to breathe, you need to think, it's a lot to do. But what if there a big moon and if it rains? What if it floats?
Hahaha, yeah, that's true, but nowadays there are red communities with security, one gate system, and no flooding issues.
Yeah, but still, houses are usually further out. If you want a decent house, it's gonna be in the suburbs, but apartment, they right in the city center. Close to work, mall, cafe, everything nearby.
I get that, but I actually enjoy the quick living a little further away from the city is peaceful, no traffic, clean air, and usually people are familiar.
The thing about the facilities, apartment have gym, swimming pool, meeting rooms, even laundry service. Sometimes there's a mini market in the road.
That's true, but don't forget about the maintenance fees. You pay a lot for those facilities every month.
Yeah, but true. But I think it's worth it. You don't have to deal with AC repairs or cleaning services. You get more free time to do everything.
But with a house, you get a customize everything. You can paint the walls any color you want, build an extra room, or even plant a garden.
I mean, you can still decoration in apartment as long as you don't damage the structure of the building.
But you are still limited. Plus, when you have kids, it's nice to have a yard, a place for them to play, ride bikes, or just run around.
You're right. I remember when I was a kid, I used to play outside, play kids, ride my bike with my friends.
Exactly, that's the kind of freedom a house gives you built an apartment can match.
But not all apartments are small. Some are really spacious, even with two floors, but yeah, they do come with a pleasant estate.
Haha, yeah, the price definitely goes up, just like with a fancy house, but in terms of investment, I think house are better.
Really, I thought apartment could be a good investment too.
They can be, but depends on the location, on the type of ownership. Some apartments only leisure only valid for 20-30 years. Meanwhile, a house is freehold, which means you only live for good. You can pass it down, seeing or rent it out.
Oh, I did know that. So, apartment need not be a good and investment long term.
No, necessarily, but you have got to be careful. Location and the type of people important factors are considered.
Okay, then sometimes thinking about this was so focused on the investment on apartment.
Yeah, apartments are good for now, especially if you are living alone or working in the city. They are easy, modern, and efficient.
That's totally me. I work late and living somewhere compartment and set in reality for me.
But when you have a family, I think a house is more suitable. Kids can play outside, you have space for pets, and you just feel more settled.
Yeah, I see this now. So it sounds like apartments are good for the short term, but houses are better for the long term.
Exactly, it depends on your lifestyle and future plans.
I like the way to think, Pena. Maybe I'll start with apartment, but I house is definitely my dream for the future.
Some here, my dream house has a little garden, a big kitchen, and room for my plants.
That sounds amazing. Alright, when we both have our own place, we'll visit as further and
Deal, but first I need to see your apartment. I want to check out that rooftop view you keep talking about.
done, but you have to break snake when we come.
Alright, you all have coffee ready and I'll bring all the treats.